What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Bitcoin, currently sitting at 16.7, down 0.27 on the day. Sitting market cap of 323 billion. 24-hour volume 16.67 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BitGet, grab up to $8,000 in bonuses, or Bybit, grab up to $30,000 in bonuses. Email me your sign up email to either exchange that you sign up to. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Let's hop into the chart. So let me quickly open it up so you guys can see what we were previously looking at in the Discord. So the 1-2-1-2 setup that we talked about in yesterday's video obviously was invalidated with the drop here for BTC. So the only option, in my opinion, is a potential WXY to push up in a wave 2. That's the only bullish scenario I have left on the table. If we come down and break 16.2K, it will invalidate that. So just keep a close eye on that. That's the only way. I think we could still potentially push up in a wave 2 pullback and then see continuation to the downside. Now, there is the alternative that we talked about yesterday, which is the ending diagonal. So we're looking for an ABC into a wave 5. There is potential for the wave B to be complete. We've come down in a wave A, we push up in a B, and then we make a 5-wave move down in a wave C. And if we break this low at 16.2, that will confirm that scenario. So those are the two scenarios I'm looking at for BTC, one bearish, one bullish. We need to bounce pretty soon if the short-term bullish scenario would to play out for a short-term bounce. Looking at the DXY, we are starting to break this symmetrical triangle to the upside with this red candle. So if you see a daily close above this trend line, could lead to a push to the upside, which of course would be negative for the price of BTC. But if we fall back down into the pattern and we start to break down, that's when potentially you could see that bounce. The Dow Jones is just flirting with this trend line of support for days now. So it's really crucial to see. I do think eventually the Dow will come down, but we'll see if we see a little bit more of a bounce. Right now it's finding resistance along the EMAs. But if the Dow rolls over and falls back down into this pattern, obviously it's going to be night for the price of BTC. So that's it. That's all I wanted to tell you guys. We need to watch 16.2. If it's broken, then the downside scenario is much more plausible. And if we can push up, then what I'd be looking at is a WXY up in a wave 2 before potentially seeing continuation to the downside, unless we come up and break that invalidation point at 18.4K that we've been covering in the video. So make sure to sign up to either Bybit or BitGet. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign up email. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, as well as trade signals, only $10 a month. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays. And yeah, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.